On January 4, 2010, Tsutomu Yamaguchi, who was credited with being the only person to survive 2 atomic bombings, passed away at the age of 93. He spent his final days undergoing treatment for stomach cancer in Nagasaki. On August 6, 1945, the day of the first American atomic explosion, Yamaguchi was in Hiroshima. He was there on a tour for the benefit of his shipbuilding firm. Yamaguchi, who was injured severely on the left side of his upper body, survived the explosion. He also had a perforated eardrum and temporary blindness as a result of the explosion. Despite his wounds, he crept to safety, took a quick nap, and then went in search of 2 of his coworkers who were also fortunate enough to have survived the blast. After the attack, Yamaguchi spent the night in an air raid bunker before going back to his house in Nagasaki. Yamaguchi survived the atomic attack of Nagasaki just 3 days after he had survived the Hiroshima explosion. When the second bomb was dropped, he was already at work, informing his supervisor about how he had survived the Hiroshima bombing. Despite escaping this calamity unharmed, Yamaguchi contracted an illness as a result of not receiving enough medical care for his first blast burns. After the bombing of Nagasaki, Yamaguchi married a woman who had also survived. They went on to have children. Later in life, Yamaguchi would have health issues brought on by radiation exposure, along with his wife and kids. Yamaguchi worked as a translator for the invading soldiers in Japan during the Allied occupation. Later, he actively advocated against nuclear weapons. He received formal recognition as the sole survivor of both bombs from the Japanese government in 2009.